So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished doing a repair here up in the attic. Had an old piping installation on the water. This is the cold water system coming in. This is the, I think it's Nibco. Can't remember. Anyways, these three white lines are, or actually these two. And then of course this one. That's all your piping. Copper coming in 1.5 inches. That comes from the main shut off outside the building right there. And what you had right here, unfortunately, was that was leaking right here. And so it was just a little dribble that developed, and it took a long time, and then finally began to drip. Didn't cause a lot of damage, but you can see right there, sheetrock, a little bit of damage. And honestly, I wouldn't even mess with that. But so what we did is we came in. That's 1.5 inch shark bite coupling, approved by code. 1.5 inch Uponor tubing. This is the Type A. What you have is Type B. So Type A Uponor, all plastic fittings now, no more copper up here. And then so 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch by 1T, little stubby piece of 1 inch Uponor, and then over to a T, 1.5 inch by 1 by 1 Uponor T, and then of course a 1 inch 90. And that's all Uponor tubing, and then little stubs 1, 2, 3, and then shark bite connectors 1, 2, 3. Over here on this side, we give you a little piece of Uponor tubing, just so we could cut back this 90 right here. It wasn't really lining up real great, and so this last piece is 1 inch Uponor. So you can see up here, that's the repair that we did. We're gonna go ahead and get some. We pulled those straps over there, so we need some new straps on, 1, 2, and maybe one over here. First, we're gonna get some foam wrap up against this metal plate so it's not rubbing on this pipe right here. Strap that we already gone through the house, ran water through all the cold and the hot, got the water heater turned back on, and so everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.